paano mag-solve ng subtraction of integers? Kung nalilito pa kayo, just watch my tutorial video. Pagkatapos niyong mapanood ang tutorial ko, alam kong masasabi niyong, yes, marunong na talaga ako. Pero kung baguhan pa kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa susunod ko na mga videos.
Okay, in subtraction of integers, you need to remember the word keep, change. And you also know where is the minued and where is the subtrahend. In this given, 8 minus 2, the minued is 8. And the subtrahend is 2. So you need to know all that so that you know how to solve subtraction of integers. Okay, let's have an example. Negative 10 minus positive 2. So, in order to solve this, remember the word keep, change. So, you need to keep the minued. And the minued here is negative 10. Keep the negative 10, which is the minued. Change the sign. The sign is minus, so it becomes plus. And then change the subtrahend. And the subtrahend here is positive 2. So you need to change into negative 2. And what is the answer? So you need to proceed the rule of addition. So after changing that, you need to proceed the rule of addition. And as you see, they are the same sign. Negative 10 and negative 2. So the same sign. In adding integers, the same sign, you just add the absolute value, then copy their common sign. So 10 plus negative 10 plus negative 2 equals negative 12. Okay? So, let's have another example. Positive 8 minus negative 4. So, always remember, keep, change. So, you need to keep the minued. The minued here is positive 8. You need to change the sign, minus into addition. And you need to the subtrahend negative 4 into positive 4. So, equals. So, as you see, they are the same sign. So, proceed to addition. So, they are the same sign. So, you need to add the absolute value. 8 plus 4 equals 12. And what are their common sign? Positive. So, the answer is positive 12. Okay, let's have another example. Uh, 6 minus 2. So, positive 6 minus positive 2. So, again, you need to keep the minued, which is number 6. You need to change the sign, minus into plus. And you need to change the subtrahend, positive 2 into negative 2. Equals. Then proceed to addition. So, as you see, they are different sign. Positive 6 plus negative 2. So, in adding of integers, different sign. So, you need to take the sign of the greater absolute value. And the greater absolute value here is positive 6. So, the sign is positive. And then subtract. So, positive 6 positive 6 minus negative 2 equals positive 4. So that's the answer, positive 4. Let's have another example. Positive 12 minus negative 6. Okay. Again, you need to keep the minued, which is positive 4. You need to change the sign into plus. And you need to change the subtrahend, negative 6, into positive 6 equals. So as you see, they are the same sign. So once they are the same sign, just take the common sign, which is positive, then add the absolute value. 12 plus 6 equals 18. So that is the answer. Let's have another example. Another example again. Negative 4 minus negative 2 equals. Okay, so again, keep the minued, negative 4. Change the sign into plus. And change the subtrahend, negative 2, into positive 2. And then proceed to addition. And as you see, they are different sign. So once they are different sign, you need to take the sign of the greater number. And the sign of the greater number is negative. And then subtract. So ito maging minus. So negative 4 minus positive 2 equals negative 2. Okay? Understood? Or nalilito pa? Okay, let's have last two example. Last two example. Positive 12 minus negative 8 equals. So, let's keep the minued, positive 12. Change the sign, minus into plus. And then change the subtrahend, negative 8 into positive 8. And then proceed to addition. So as you see, they are the same sign. They are both positive. So you need to add the absolute value. 12 plus 8 equals 20. Okay. Another example. Negative 5 minus positive 2. Okay. So, keep the minued, negative 5. Change the sign into positive and change the subtrahend, positive 2 into negative 2. So, proceed to addition. And as you see, they are the same sign. They are both negative. So, just add the absolute value and copy their common sign. So, negative 5 plus negative 2 equals negative 7. Okay, understood. So, last example. Just last example. Okay, last example. Positive 6 minus positive 3 equals. So you need to keep the minued. Positive 6, change the sign into addition, and change the subtrahend positive 3 into negative 3. And then proceed to addition. As you see, they are different sign, positive and negative. So, you need to take the sign of the greater absolute value. The sign of the greater absolute value here is positive. And then, you need to subtract. So, ito become sa minus or subtraction. So, 6 minus negative 3 equals positive 3. So, natuto na kayo kung paano mag-solve ng subtraction of integers? Sana may natutunan kayo. Napaka-easy lang.
O ano, may natutunan ba kayo? Sigurado naman akong meron, di ba? Napakasimple lang talaga how to solve subtraction of integers. Just remember the word keep, change, change. Keep the minued, change the sign, change the subtrahend, and then proceed to the rule of addition. And what is the rule of addition? In my previous videos, I already discussed how to solve adding of integers. Adding of integers different sign, you need to find the greater absolute value and the smaller absolute value, and then take the sign of the greater absolute value and then subtract. And adding of integers the same sign, just add the absolute value and copy their common sign. I hope natutunan nyo kung paano mag-solve ng subtraction of integers.